Hello everyone, good evening. We're here from this one. It is analyze of these games in Abu Dhabi Chess Festival 2025. Today is round number 5. So round number 5 of this one in this tournament here. So how many clocks within 1 hour and 30 minutes and 30 seconds increment? Long game or maybe round robin. So today's round number 5 and also have between from this in the Philippines within Pinoy from this international master Michael Concho. So it means Michael Concho he was from Philippines here from this one. So it means Filipino from this Pinoy. And also versus by FIDE Master in United Arab Emirates or UAE is Sadrani Amar. So today is round number 5. So part of this video we have analyzed of this one in the standings after round number 5. So white plays I am Concho is d4, d5 Amar, c4, e6, Queen's Gambit decline. So these are the main lines here is used by c6 lock defense. So it means Amar, so Amar moved by e6 by pawns here by Amar here from this one, and also knight c3 here, or maybe without, not yet by captured by Queen's Gambit declines here, and also knight f6, or maybe with idea by upcoming by maneuver is bishop to b4. That's the knights here, and also knight f3, bishop e7 without preparing by castling by Amar. So it means bishop f4, castling by Amar, e3, and also a6 without move side by maneuver is pawn to b5 or capture this one by here. So it means b5 pawns, capture these pawns here, and also queen c2 without preparing by castling. So it means preparing castling queen side here, and also rook e8, and also rook d1 without move advantage by this I am control here. So it means with idea by to move by without puzzle. So it means masters of this one by Philippines here. So it means these are the Philippines to play chess here, and also b6 here. So it means without b6 by Amar. And why don't we move here? Because this one moved by, decided this one is pawn to b5 here by pawns here. So it means Amar moved by b6 here. And also bishop e2 by preparing by castling by I am Concho here. And also bishop b7 without coming by light square bishop. So it means or maybe by light square bishop by bishop d7 without counters attacks here, and also castling by I am Concho, and also knight bd7, and also pawn h3, bishop d6 without counters attacks by bishop, and covering knight e5 without counters attacks by knights, or maybe without threats than knights before capture this one by bishop. So these are the controls here from this one, and queen e7, and backward. So it means novelty by I am Concho of this game. So these are the main lines. So it means main line by recording by old main lines is knight takes captured, or maybe capture this pawn. So capture this one pawns here. And also novelty backwards bishop h2. So it means new move by I am Concho. So it means none of these booklets here from this one. And also c5 without doubles by pawns. So it means without doubles, or maybe without capture this one or already captured, is called by crossing captured pawns. So it means pawn structure here from this one. And also bishop f3, and also rook ac8, queen e2, rook c7 without preparing by battery. So battery from this one. And also takes, knight takes captured, bishop takes captured, bishop check. So it means without move by focusing by Amar, without bishop first by captured bishop. King takes bishop, rook takes captured. Oh, so it means with idea by battery. So battery by doubles by rooks. And also pawn g3, h6. So it means very loading my thinking here. So it means h6 here. And also captured, captured, queen c2, bishop to c6 here. Or maybe not yet by here, by battery. So not yet battery here. And also rook d2 with idea by battery. So battery by doubles by rooks here. And also battery by Amar. Battery by I am control without decided by battery here. So it means controls or developments from this one. According this one by continuous without rooks by battery here. And also pawn to g5, knight a4. Or maybe with idea by move maneuver is knight to knight to knight to b6 here, or maybe by counters attacks the rooks. So it means counters attacks from this one. And good move, bishop takes captured knight. Without bishop or without doubles by queens and rooks here. And I am conscious decided queen takes captured bishops here. And also queen e6. So it means these are first marked grade bad move by Amar. So the best moves there, this one is queen to d6 here. So it means queen d6 from this one. So it means advantage from these blocks here. So it means the back there, this one is queen e6 here, and also queen a5. So it means the miss moves here. So it means at the miss moves, so the best na miss moves is backwards queen a3. So it means miss by backwards here from this one. Miss moves. So the best is queen a3 here. So it means the back there, this one is queen a5, queen c6, brand X by Amar. So the branded move is rook to c8 here. So it means rook c8. So it means without move step backwards or left here from this one. So it means advantage here from this one. So it means queen c6 by Amar and rook c1. Oh, without move side by battery here by I am Concho, and also rook c8 or without move side by triple. So triple by this one, and also another good move rook dc2 here. So it means good move by I am Concho without battery here, and also triple battery here, and also rook takes captured, threats the queens, and sacrifice here, queen takes captured, sacrifice from this Amar. And I am Concho decided rook takes queen, no more queens by Fidemaster. And rook takes captured, queen takes captured. Inaccess, why don't we queen captured rook? And rook takes captured. So it means lose from these whites here. So it means so cautions here. So it means do not capture from this queen takes rook. So it means eye to eye contact. So it means avoid from this queen takes captured rooks here. So it means be careful from this one of these tournaments here. So it means do not use by queen captured rook. These are the lose from these whites here. And decided this one queen takes captured by I am Concho. So it means decided by this one queen takes captured, and also king g7 bad move. So the best moves there is rook 8 c6 here without threats the queens here. If you move side by queen a8 check, and also king g7. So it means slightly better from these whites and blacks here. So it means slightly better. So back there, this one is king g7 by Amar, and also king g2 rook c1, and also queen d3, rook h c5, another bad move. So the best moves there is rook 1 c5. So rook 1 c5 here. So it means need more focus here on this one. So back there, this one is rook 8 c5, and also a4 miss move by I am control. So it means the miss move, the best moves there is one is a3 pawns. It means without a3 pawns here from this one. That means these are thus likely from whites here. So back there, this one is e4 by I am control without counters attacks by pawns. Takes, bishop takes captured, rook a1 threats the pawns here from this one, threatening the pawns, and a3 by I am control, and rook cc1. So it means strongest by Amar with idea by rook g1 check, or without check here from this one, and also bishop f3. What happened to move by I am control? So it means, so why bad move this one? So the one's computer, this one, the best moves king f3. So it means no more by check here. So it means no more by check here on this one. So back there, this one is bishop f3, and also rook h1. Almost upcoming by threatening mating net. Without threatening mating net here. So it means rook h1. So it means without upcoming by mating net by white pieces. So it means, so lose from this white. So what do you think idea to move here? Decided this one here from this one. And bishop backwards, another bad move. So the best moves there is bishop to e2. Without move side by kings here from this one. So it means decided this one backwards. Do not move backwards here from this one. So need to bishop to e2 here. So it means need more careful. So back there, this one is bishop b7. Why backwards here? And rook h1 check. King f3. Rook takes captured bad. What happened this one? So it means another. So it means bad move by computer here. So it means bad move. So the best moves there, this one is rook to d1 here, threats the queens here. So it means need more focusing, slightly better from this blacks here from this one. So it means slightly better here. After this one, rook takes captured, and also king e2, pawn g4, another bad move by Amar. Best moves there is rook backwards h2 here. So rook backwards h2 here from this one. So it means slightly better this one. So back there, this one is g4 by Amar, and also queen c3, rook h5, d4, rook f5. Bad move. What happened to this bad move? Question mark. And also a4, h5, and also bishop e4. So it means without threats the rooks here. So threatening the rooks from this one. And also rook g5, and also b5, h4. Threatening counters attacks. Captured. Rook h5. With idea by threats the pawns, or maybe without move side by promotes by queens. So it means almost by from this one promotes here from this one. And also b6, with idea by push promotes by queens here. So it means, and also rook takes captured, queen e5, rook h5 threats the counters attacks by queens, and queen takes captured, sacrifice. Without sacrifice here, knight takes captured. So it means these are the bad bishops here. So one bishop only by I am control, and knights and rooks by Amar. So it means 2 versus 1. So it means these are the need more win from this one. And also B7, oh, with idea by promotes by B8 queen. Oh, almost there from this one. And also F5 threats the bishop, bishop C6, rook B1, and also bishop B5, and also G3 without counters attacks by this one pawns, or without promotes by this one by G2 here, and also takes good move, knight takes capture check, king D2, and also knight E4 check, and the finishing move, this one, this king C2 resigns by FIDE Master Ammar from UAE. So why he resigns? For example, so if you move by rook A1, only move here, and also B8 queen, and also king to G6. So it means unstoppable, so it means fatal. So it means lose from these blocks here. So the lose from this one. So the winner, so the score by this one from I am Concho 88.6 and Fidemaster Amar 84.5. So it means winner from this one, round number 5 from this Pinoy, from this Philippines, International Master Michael Concho. Congratulations from this Philippines, from this one. So I will next up the skip of this from this last round between Philippines versus India. So I will analyze of this game from this Abu Dhabi. So I hope of this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Loagi 17, aka Mark 17, and don't forget to subscribe by Mark Loagi 17 English speaking and Mark Loagi 17 part 2 from the Cebuano and Tagalog. So it means don't forget to watch of this my videos from these viewers and like of this one my videos. Have a good day and keep updates of this next chess updates. Good night.